So class, today we will do practical of mail merge. As we know, mail merge is a word processing feature which enable us to send the static message to the huge number of users at one click, at one click. Okay. So we will see some theoretical part of it, then we will jump into the practical. So as we know, there are three main components of mail merge. First one is main component. This is the template document where we have to write the our static text, okay now, which we will send to the users. And there will be few placeholders which we will replace with the actual data. And another one is data source. Data source means where we will store the data about the recipients like recipient's name, address, code, etc. And the third one is merge document. Merge document means we have to merge the data source with our main document. Now let's see how we will do this with practical. So as we know, firstly we have to create this one that is which is main document. To create a main document, we have to go to the MS Word file. Already I have created one main document. Okay now, this main document I have created to invite the parents in our school premises to join our Now Chetna program, which is going to commence in 12 February 2025. So we have to start mail merge. We have to click on the mailing tab. After clicking on the mailing tab, there will be lots of commands related to mailing tab. The first command you need to click on, that is start mail merge. When you will click on this command, you will be able to see the lots of document type. So I will choose here letter type, okay now. And then these are the placeholder, as you can see. These are the placeholder, this one and this one. Okay. So we have to change these placeholders with our actual data, which means real data. Okay. Suppose we have 50 people to invite. So to write their name individually and address, it will be very hectic job to do. So what we have to do? What we should do instead? We should create a sheet where we will store the data related to the recipients, like recipient's name and address. So I have already created a data source in Excel file. As you can see here, this is our data sheet in Excel file whose name is main merge data source. Okay now. So what I will do, I will merge these fields, only these fields. As you can see, these are the fields. Okay now. I am going to merge these fields in our main document in Word. How we will do this? So we have to go to the main document. Now click on the select recipient. When you will click in the select recipient, there will be a pop-up box open. And there are three options. First one is type a new list. You can type your new list here. Also, you can choose an existing list, which I will do here. And another one is choose from Outlook contact. As Google provides email services, which name is Gmail, or similarly Microsoft also provides email service which is Outlook. So we will do this using an existing list. To choose an existing list, we have to click on that option. I have saved that list in E drive. There is so this is the folder, this is the sheet workbook which I will insert. Okay now. When you will click on open, there will be a pop-up box which is saying to sheet. Like I said, this is our workbook. This is the entire workbook. In our workbook there can be maximum 255 sheets, and by default there will be one sheet which is here, sheet 1. Okay now. That is why the Word document is asking to select the sheet 1. So I need to select the sheet 1. Okay. Now the next step is to insert the merge field. These are the dummy data which is placeholder. I had to replace it with the original data. To replace it, the next step I should do, that is insert merge field. So I am going to insert the field that is customer name. Okay. And next one is address. So here is the address. To see whether it is working or not, we need to click on the preview. Okay, the moment I click on the preview, you can see here the exact, the real data, and also you can see the next data also. Like when you click in this button, next data will appear here. One thing you can notice here that these are the static text which are not changing, except only these two texts. Only these two texts are being changed, except all these text. The last step of this mail merge is finish and merge. When you will click in this finish and merge, there will be three options. Either you can edit individually, okay now, or you can print it. But what I will do here, I will send the email message. Okay, when you will click the email message, you need to write and you have to choose the merge. You have to choose the field through which you will send this message. So I will choose email, as I had merged the sheet. This sheet I have merged this sheet into the main document. So from this field I will be able to access these emails of each and every clients. Okay now. So it is very mandatory to write the subject to invitation for Lord Chetana. When you will click in OK, your Outlook will open. Okay, so as I have not set my Outlook account, so I won't be able to see it. Okay, now I expect from you that you will do it in your home. Okay, thank you.